Today we are going to talk about a fan side box. We are going to operate it now. Now let's talk about paper release. Paper alignment on this side, free for opposite sides. Here the knife is loose. The other is the independent knife. The knife is under pressure. And then we go to the second section of the alignment. That's one wheel over here, by the way, and the two pullers in the back. Straighten them out and pull them up here. You don't want to hit it here, because the paper will get squeezed. Glue. It's over here. It's not long enough. Here it is. Come out like this and then twist the wire. Glue it. Lift it. Push it down. Push it down. Flatten the plate as much as possible. Let's press it down when we get here. Here's the rotation. Turn the angle around. Turn it a little bit, and the hem will straighten out.